Hi everyone, this is Dr. Preeti. Welcome to Life a Blessing. Today's day is a very special day, a day to be celebrated and rejoiced universally. A very happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. Tradition may vary from country to country, but the tradition of celebrating the Mother's Day remains the same everywhere. Only the dates may vary. Mother. This word means a lot to me. It makes not only me but all individuals emotional because it holds that power. It is so divine, so pure, so transparent and crystal clear like a water. Mothers, they are indeed so special, so loving, so adorable, and to be honored. I would place her this way. M, who has a magnificent heart. O, who has an outstanding patience. T, who has tremendous willpower. H, who holds the family members together. E, one who spreads everlasting love and endless love. R, who is round the clock worried about nurturing her child. And last but not the least, S, who always has a smile on her face and who spreads selfless love and has selfless prayers for her child and her family. Having said this, blessed are the children to have such amazing moms. Blessed are the children to receive their moms' selfless love, care and attention. Blessed are the children to receive their mom's lap to sleep peacefully, her shoulders to rest when tired. Moms are even very good and best friends. Loving selflessly, caring nature and having lot of patience for her child and nurturing her child, all these qualities makes her so unique and so special. She is always worried about her child, or rather she always wants to make it sure whether her child has eaten properly or not. Then no matter how big he grows up, even if he is married, she will ask them, whenever she calls them up, she will ask them how you are. And the very first thing she will ask them is, have you eaten your food properly? And what did you have for your lunch? What did you have for your breakfast? She will talk about it for around about 10 to 15 minutes. This is how moms are. They are so cute, so adorable, so magical. Moms can be soft as a pillow, but if time demands, she can be hard and tough like an iron for the betterment of her child. She holds the capability and has the tremendous strength to bear all sorts of physical, mental and emotional pain for raising her child and enriching the life of her child. She also endures several types of hardships just for the betterment of her child, and she is even ready to sacrifice her interest and her jobs or whatever it may be for the betterment of her child without expecting anything in return. All these qualities are truly admirable and truly unique qualities. This is what makes her so special and so unique and truly to be honored. This is why it is said, mother's place cannot be replaced by anyone. She can replace someone else's place, but her place cannot be replaced because of her unique qualities and truly qualities which have to be admired. She is also a multitasker who does multitasking, who does work at home, offices and manages her family with a smile on her face without expecting anything. Mothers do not demand any valuable gifts from their child, but what they expect is only true love, care and bit of attention from the child. This is what makes her so unique, admirable and truly to be honored. So mother is the biggest blessing. Well, I did not want to end up saying this, but guess I cannot hold it for a long. I would like to share something about me. Well, I lost my mom when I was quite young, but believe me, she was and has always been alive in my breath. She is always there to guide me and to hold me whenever I fall. She is always there to give her lap for me to rest when I'm in pain and give her shoulders for me to rest when I'm tired. So, having said this, all the children out there, just love your mom for whatever she is. Love her. That is what selflessly, just the way she loves you. That's all she wants from you and nothing else. Mothers may not be perfect, but she always gives her best and strives to give her best selflessly. This is what should be cherished, should be admired, and adored about her, and truly to be honored. If I was asked what I love the most, I would say I love being a mom. And for me, success means trying and learning to be the best and the perfect mom. So, with due respect to all the women and to all the mothers watching out this video, very happy Mother's Day. Be happy, stay blessed. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Once again, a very happy Mother's Day. Thank you. Bye-bye.